Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So animating a still image in OpenArt lets you turn photos or AI arts into moving videos perfect for content, storytelling or social media. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to animate an image in OpenArt in 2026, simple and powerful. So first thing, open image to video tool. Okay, so you have here many options. Okay, so you have to choose image to video. Okay, as you can see here, also we have many options. Okay, so you choose the thing that suits what you want. Okay, and then log into your account as I did. So you have to have an account here. Okay, so click edit video. Okay, so select your photo or AI generated image. Okay, best images like clear subject, good lighting, centered composition. Okay, so write an animation prompt. Okay, here describe how the image should move. For example, slow camera zoom in, cinematic lightning, subtle motion, okay, or hair moving in the wind, soft animation, realistic movement, or water flowing gently, calm atmosphere. So focus on motion, not description. Okay, so choose an animation settings. Duration, for example, starts with 3 to 5 seconds. Style, for example, cinematic, realistic, etc. Motion strength, like, okay, so if available, of course. Keep settings moderate. Okay, so generate the animation. After that, wait for processing. AI creates movements from your image. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.